here we are. Across of Ventura. Nice view. You can see the crosses a little bit charred, but standing together quite nicely. Alright, on my way from Ventura to Carpinteria, rather. This by far is one of the nicest roads I've been on. It's paved, it's separated from the highway, so there are no cars around, and they're just like bikers and runners on this road. And then there's the beach, obviously. It's really quite nice. I've come across a lot of bikers, mostly bikers, some runners, a couple walkers as well. But that's it for now. Alright, hey guys. So today's day 9. I'm just about the end of day 9. Walked from Ventura to just outside of Carpinteria. I now have a new configuration for a fully enclosed tarp. I'll post a link to the YouTube video that I learned this one from. And I basically adapted my tarp because it didn't have an odd number of grommets to this. But I'll show you guys a little quick tour on the inside, and then I'll show you the outside in a bit. So here's on the inside, and it's actually quite spacious compared to most fully enclosed with a floor and a roof kind of tarp configuration. Here, I'll show you what it'll look like from the outside. And that's basically it. You can see, oh, there you go. You can see there's 3 kind of stakes in the ground, and then followed by 1 point of tying. Really, that's all it needs. So it's much simpler to make than my previous kind of like tree line configuration. So we'll see how it holds up tonight. There's not going to be any rain, so not too worried about that. But it's a pretty low profile, easy to make tent. Made in about like 10-15 minutes. And then if you want to have an open air configuration, just flip this over so the condensation doesn't build up. And there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can basically sit inside here and have a little campfire or something down here, and then all your stuff is going to be stored up there with your sleeping bag and stuff. I think it's one person comfortable. Fits one person very comfortably. Alright, so that's about it for today. Tomorrow go through the city and then on to Santa Barbara. So cool. Quick tour of where I'm staying tonight. It's actually pretty spacious. Kind of behind I don't know if you can see, kind of a lot of businesses and stuff in the street over. So I think overall pretty safe. See you tomorrow. One thing I forgot to mention about today was about how nice everyone was that I met in Ventura, from the church that let me stay over to the National Guard base that gave homeless people a place to stay warm during the colder months, and then even outside to there's a local state park on the way to Carpinteria, and everyone was more than willing and to offer help, financial or food or things like that, and that, I mean, I hadn't experienced really to that extent anywhere else. So yeah, so Ventura is a really cool place. I like it a lot. Yeah, for instance, there's this local shack where you can buy like burgers and stuff on the beach, and the lady noticed that I just had barely enough money to buy a burger, so she gave me a huge burger and some snacks, actually, a Kind bar and another like Tiger protein bar, to kind of give me you know, more energy along the route. And there's a lady who was biking, and she saw that in the situation I was in, and she gave me $20. So I think that's kind of cool. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Good night.